We're driving in cloud. So a quick stop here at Lake Pearson. Check that out. So pretty. This was one of the other campsites that we have been staying at. Same problem. There's no power socket. So but there's a lot more people here. But good thing is they've got ducks here. It's the duckies. Yeah. So it's like a moment ago there was cloud. Like you can still see a little bit of like the cloudy thingy or vapors or whatever you want to call it, but it was like the whole place was clouded.
Where did they come from?
So yeah. Oh, check out the duckies.
Yeah, Shami.
Just look at that view. Right, can you move away? Yeah, that view.
Rude.
Alright, so we are now headed to Arthur's. I mean, we are driving through the Arthur's Pass. Gonna head to what's the place called again?
Hokitika.
Yeah, a place called Hokitika. Apparently there is somewhere we have to go. Alright, so we found a place for us to have a quick bite, breakfast. We have not had breakfast yet. Just a place like along the road. So it's like home-based kind of thing. But look at the pancake. It looks amazing.
Yep.
Shani's having the pancakes. Supposed to come with banana, not kiwi though.
They ran out of bananas maybe.
And I've got the toast. Egg on toast. So it looks like. Not bad. Alright, so we are now at the Arthur's Pass. We just finished our breakfast and I don't know what this is about. They've got a sign there, but couldn't be bothered to read. Here to Skid Rock, ready?
What was that?
The water is damn clear. Legitly clear. So right now me and Shani is gonna have a challenge. Who can skip the rock the furthest and the number of time, huh? So yeah, let's see, shall we? Alright. Well done. Now let me show you how it's done. Step aside. First, you need to find a very good rock.
See, because he was a caveman before this.
So this looks like a good rock, and the thing is that you must have the skill to throw it so that the rock bounces. Let's try. 2 times. Better than Shani's. Not that. Yeah. This is just for fun. Okay, this is for Shami. See this big rock. Guys, we are old. So what happened was we came to this beach.
It's lake.
Wanting to have a swim, but then we fell asleep. By the time I want to get into the water, it's freezing. As you can see, there's nobody else here. There was a lot of people just now, so yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so we're off to see the waterfalls.
Alright, yeah. So actually what happened was that we found a holiday home a holiday park. That is one of the park that you have to that enables us to charge the home, motor home. But so all this while all the campsites that we saw was provided by the New Zealand government, therefore it's free. But the only facility that they provide are toilet, and there's only one toilet usually in each campsite. So this one, however, there's a lot more facilities. What's my hair by the way? It's horrible.
It's a sleepy hair.
Yeah. So this campsite, it's $45 for 2 person.
48.
$48 for 2 person. It provides like shower, laundry, barbecue. What else?
There's a kitchen. There's a grill.
There's a place for you to like do
Chill.
stuff basically. So but most importantly, it provides power to the RV, which means you can use all the facilities in the RV as well.
And we won't be freezing tonight.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully the heater works. So another plus point about this holiday park is that they provided free activities, and for this specific holiday park, I think it's because there's a lot of glowworms there. They provide like free glowworm tours.
Trails.
Huh?
It's not so, it's a trail.
Trail, yeah, trail. Time check, currently it is 6:30. We just had our early dinner. Right now we're headed to the Waterfalls walk. It's 1 kilometer. Says that it takes half an hour to reach. Hopefully it just takes that much. Alright Chinese, how do you feel about the trip so far?
Sleepy.
Sleepy, yes. Let's check out this waterfall. Alright, we are back at the holiday park place. We're here to charge the RV. Just connected it. Gonna switch it on for the first time. You look to my side. We are E23, yeah? Okay. Hopefully that works. Let's check it out. The heater's working. Now let's check the plugs. Yep, it's working. Ta-da! That's it for tonight.
Hey, we got heater. We can charge.
Alright, so we're just gonna charge everything out. We're gonna sort out the whole RV before heading it back out to go see the route for the glowworm before it gets dark.
And waterfall.
Yes, and waterfall. Alright, let's go.
It's down there.
Alright guys, so we are out now. I know it's dark, I'm not sure you guys even can see me. Oh yeah, I'm going to check out the glowworms. I'm not sure you guys can see, but those are actually glowworms. They're not the stars.
us on the ground.
Yeah, it's a lot of them. Glowworms. The video won't be able to justify. Glowworms. Woo. Oops. Anyways, that's it for tonight. We just checked out the glowworm. Not sure if you guys can see, but we are now in front of our humble motorhome. So thank you so much for watching today's episode. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.